Maybe you can find a bird if you look closely. If you look closely, maybe a squirrel. Look, I saw a bird there. Everything is so far away and distant. I wonder what birds think. Do they are aware that they're flying? So many questions, yet not as yet a lot are asked, not as many are answered. No one is a bird that can talk, so no one knows how birds feel. Don't you hear their blood call? Don't you wish you could understand it? To hear what birds are shouting to each other? I wonder which type of birds. That one's really loud. A moment ago, I heard a seagull cry. Standing here. A lovely night. It's beautiful. I wonder what that was. Maybe it was a goldfinch. No, goldfinches don't live here. Well, they might. Well, they don't fully live here. This wouldn't be the time. The guy looks like a shooting star. It's an airplane. But let's get back to this. Oh, beautiful tree stretching from tall sky to tall sky. There's our tree. Let's see if we can find a bird's nest. Or maybe a bird. That would be even better. Oh, let's go see that glass lizard. Where, Daddy? Where?
Oh, it's in here. Just let it down there. It's right in there. It looks like a snake, but it's a glass lizard, I think.
What is he? Okay, my dad's helping me find it.
I think he's already down in there somewhere. I don't know where he went.
He burned away.
Yeah.
I wonder where they went. I wonder where that fake nest. Did they burn it down and pop up somewhere else? Somebody was an animal expert. They could tell us everything. Then there's no such thing as an animal expert. There's just too many questions unanswered. He would be rich if he found out all these facts. See that bird's nest right there? Sometimes by growing your own garden with flowers and beautiful, sweet smelling things, like those flowers right there. Let's go look at them. Those are... What flowers are these, Daddy?
Collard greens.
These are collard green flowers. Look at these. These are ornamental flowers.
What kind?
Marigolds.
Right.
Here are some snow pea or sugar snap flowers. They look exactly the same, so you can't tell them apart.
Right.
They just look different when they grows. One's fatter, one's longer. These are onions. Some are grown for food. They don't attract things. Bees like it when you plant flowers in your garden. Daddy, can I go in the front yard? Yes. Nod or shake your head. Can I go in the front yard?
Yes.
Well, I'm going to go show you my front yard and show you some roses. Wait a second. Okay. No, Garth, stay. No, Garth, stay. Okay. Well, we're on our way down my driveway. And I'll go show you my roses. Here's some more marigolds. Ooh, look. Delicious strawberries. Those bloom from those type of flowers. Strawberry flowers. Look at those. Green bean flowers. Those purple ones. Here's some more. Look at this. More snow. Oh, look. This is Look at this. That comes from this right here. And you eat it, the entire thing, not just the peas inside. Which some people do just eat the peas inside because they think they can't eat the outside. Oh look, blueberries. This is what their flower looks like. Right there. That white flower. If you just look around, there's so many different flowers. Here's some more collard green flowers. These are dead, but look. Those were ornamental flowers. These will bloom into lilies. Also ornamental flowers. Maybe before showing you my garden, maybe you can see other flowers in here. Ooh, tons of strawberry flowers here. See all those strawberry flowers? Broccoli flowers also look like collard green flowers. Here are pansies, ornamental flowers. Look, this one's a weed, but it's beautiful. Can't eat that, can't eat weeds. Probably everyone knows that. Oh look, here's some more pansies. Now I'm going to show you my roses. Oh look, some blueberry flowers. Okay, yellow roses. Beautiful. Pink roses. Some more pansies. Oh look, there used to be a red rose there. It withered and turned pink. Here's some blueberries. Beautiful. In time, many others. Oh, look at those. Those are daisies. Ornamental flowers. Roses are also ornamental flowers. Look at these. I'm not exactly sure what these are. They transform into. Well, they don't. Well, these are seeds actually. Flowers can sometimes go to seed, like the collard green flowers over there. And you eat this part. It's a spice. Oh, look at those lentils. They're going to transform into beans. Look at that. That's also a spice. I forgot what it was. Ooh, did you hear that? If I brought it up sooner, you would have seen there was a bird. Look, that's my magnolia tree. It produces beautiful flowers. Let's watch. See if we can see a bird. Look at that beautiful sunset. Well, it's not a sunset yet, but it will transform into one. Beautiful. See? Beautiful. If those branches have not been cut up, easy to climb as well. I'll go back to the backyard and see if we can show you flowers there. Oh, look, azaleas. The last azaleas. Azaleas die really quickly. In fact, look at all these dead ones. Oh, look, some white azaleas. Just recently bloomed. That's why they're not dead. See, they're temporarily littering the floor. Azaleas are highly ornamental. I do not say just leaving them.
How many